This next activity is a quiz. La siguiente actividad es un cuestionario. We are going to use the platform Kahoot. Vamos a usar la plataforma Kahoot. And now we are going to begin. Ahora vamos a comenzar. So this is what we are going to do. Esto es lo que vamos a hacer. The question is going to appear on the screen. Las preguntas van a aparecer en la pantalla. I'll give you about 10 seconds to think about your answer. Les daré 10 segundos aproximadamente para que piensen en su respuesta. And then I'm going to choose the correct answer. Y entonces yo elegiré la respuesta correcta. This activity is for you. Esta actividad es para ustedes. And it will help you to know if you learn the vocabulary. Les va a ayudar a saber si aprendieron el vocabulario. So now we are going to begin. Ahora vamos a comenzar. ¿Cómo se dice materiales escolares en inglés? Think about your answer. Piensa tu respuesta. Time's up. If you answered school supplies, you're right. Si contestaste school supplies, estabas en lo correcto. Are these some rulers? Choose true, elige verdadero, or false, o falso. The moment of the truth, el momento de la verdad. Verdadero era la respuesta correcta. ¿Cómo se dice cinta adhesiva en inglés? Think about your answer. I think this is an easy one. Yo pienso que esta es una fácil. Because we use the same word in Spanish sometimes. Porque nosotros a veces usamos la misma palabra en español. So, think about it. Piénsenlo. And the correct answer is tape. La respuesta correcta es tape. What school supply is in the image? Think about it. The correct answer is some scissors. What is this? ¿Qué es esto? The correct answer is an eraser. What are these? ¿Qué son estos? Think about it. Okay, these are some markers. What is this? ¿Qué es esto? This is a backpack. Are these colored pencils? No, they are pencils. Remember that colored pencils, recuerden que colored pencils es lápices de color. What are these? ¿Qué son estos? Choose your answer. These are highlighters. Is this glue? Yes, it is. And this is the last question. Y esta es la última pregunta. Is this a pencil case? Este es un pencil case? True, verdadero, or false, o falso. Think about it, and this is true. Esto es verdadero. So, this is the end of this lesson. Este es el final de esta lección. See you next time. Los veo después. Bye.